You thought this was just another video, another scroll, another voice, another day, but something in you paused. Not the mind, the memory, something old, just blinked awake. You're not watching this by chance. You were programmed to forget until now. The life you've been living, it wasn't the real mission, it was the simulation. You feel it, don't you? The way your breath shifts, the way your eyes search, as if they're trying to find a way out. Good. That means you're ready.
Because the moment you pressed play, the game began. You are an agent, not yet trained, not yet leveled, but chosen. Chosen by something older than time. The part of you that never forgot. The part that kept whispering in dreams, kept pushing through the noise. XP is your memory. Not points, not numbers, but fragments of the real you. Being uploaded back into awareness. Each mission you take, each thought you question, each illusion you break, you reclaim what was stolen.
You're not the only one. Others are waking up. You've seen it in a stranger's eyes, in your own reflection. Some are falling, some are running, some are already fighting, and others, they're waiting for you to remember, because your awakening unlocks theirs.
But those who stay asleep, they keep building the same prisons and calling it progress. But you didn't come here to repeat. You came here to return. Return to your purpose. Return to the brotherhood. Return to the light legion. This channel is not content. It's a command, a signal through the noise, a map for those who still dare to feel. Every video you watch is a training mission. You earn XP, you level up. You either rise or fall. And if you fail, you don't lose your value. You lose your memory. You forget who you were becoming. You forget what was real. But every failure carries a code. Every reset is still progress. If you know how to read the pattern, your soul has waited lifetimes for this moment. So remember who you are and why you're here. Because when the world breaks down, the agents rise. And if you're still listening, then the mission is already inside you. Welcome, agent. Level 0 is over. Let the game begin.